candidate appointed as per directions A and B on the select panel under the RET scheme are directed to acquire minimum qualification prescribed under NCTE regulation and notifications, including to qualify the PET within 3 years and 3 attempts from the date of their engagement appointment. In this regard, the state is directed to organize the TET annually. After successfully acquiring the minimum qualification, passing TET without prescribing within the prescribed time limit, the services of such appointees shall be accordingly regularized on completion of 2 years of service thereafter. The direction C above shall be applicable to the other similarly situated candidates who have already been appointed from the select panel under RET scheme after 23/8/2010, i.e. the date of NCTE notification prescribing minimum qualification and prior to issuance of the closure order, and do not possess minimum qualification including PET as per the notification of the NCTE. However, those appointees shall acquire prescribed qualification within the time as specified in direction C. It is obligatory upon this step to direct that once the candidate public appointees under the RET scheme have acquired the prescribed qualification and qualified the TET as indicated above, the seniority of all such candidate appointees shall be redrawn and determined by the competent authority of the state, maintaining their respective position in the select panel uninfluenced by the date of appointment, joining or regularization. The inter-C seniority shall also be determined accordingly. It is further directed that if the candidate and appointees, including those already appointed and regularized, who do not acquire and possess the requisite qualification in terms of the NCTE notification and fail to qualify the TET within the period prescribed here and above, the state is at liberty to dispense with their services as the mandate of Article 21A of the Constitution of India cannot left at alter even while rendering complete justice, invoking Article 142 of the Constitution of India. It is further clarified that those candidates and appointees would not have any claim with respect to seniority or regularization as directed herein above. The directions issued herein above are in rem and shall apply mutually studentist to the candidate already appointed pursuant to 74 advertisements that are subject matter of the present proceedings. Though they are not party to the present appeals, in view thereof, this judgment shall be widely publicized, and all the candidate appointees shall be duly informed of these directions so that they can take recourse for acquiring the minimum qualification as per NCTE regulation and notifications if they have not already acquired the same. The directions contained in clause A to G herein above shall apply to all candidates who are litigating in any court and such cases have been filed prior to the date of this judgment. It is further clarified that the candidates who have not already filed cases in court shall neither acquire any fresh cause of action by virtue of these directions nor be entitled to seek any further direction from any court in that regard. At the cost of the repetition, it is clarified that the judgment shall not be construed as reviving the RET scheme for any purpose whatsoever, nor shall it be interpreted so as to create or confer any right on candidate who was not part of a prepared select panel or who failed to approach the court timely. Moreover, these directions are being issued in the peculiar facts and circumstances of this case, invoking the power under Article 142 of the Constitution of India, and shall not be treated as precedent in any manner whatsoever. With these,
Let's, if I may just remind your Lordship, it said that your Lordship could indicate something to the government about revising what the payments are to be made to these people during this period, because it's only. Well, your Lordships were very generous in saying that you would just indicate to the government that the government might be.
then we will
Grateful, deeply grateful.
This is the biggest contribution.
It's
No, no, it's not. That is nothing. No, it is not like this. Don't say like this, sir. We have. But. Yes. It is not photo just to mention that if he under his scheme, basic education, they must be, they have to be. Due remuneration during the course of the how much it is?
It's 3,000 at present.
Less in particular to ease this. The minimum basis is higher than this. The open trust that the state government shall realize the perfect situation and for dispensation of quality education. They shall take decision for enhancing. They shall take decision on their discretion for enhancing the already. But if this is the correct direction. This is my direction number. In view of the application service in para above, we believe that the state government shall apprise their mind in the facts and circumstances of the case and the situation prevalent in the state to take decision with respect to revision of the ovarian of such teachers as their duty.
Deeply obliged, brothers, deeply obliged.
इसको सही बात में कहते हैं ये टाइप कर दीजिए इसमें लेकर के इसको करा के तो भी नेक्स्ट